Use Gemini in Google Messages. Go ahead and open your Google Messages app and then tap on your profile photo. And here, make sure to select your Google account. And after that, tap on this Gemini icon at the bottom right corner. If you don't see this icon, then make sure you have installed the Gemini app on your phone and make sure you have activated Gemini in your phone. If you don't have this Gemini app in your phone, and if you want to learn how to activate or enable Gemini, you can watch this video on my channel. Okay, now go ahead and just tap on this Gemini icon here. And here you can see welcome to Gemini in Google Messages. Just tap on use Gemini. And now I have successfully enabled Gemini in my Google Messages. Now I can easily write anything here. For example, I'm typing here, tell me a joke. Let's see what happened after sending this text. Make sure you have connected your phone with the internet, and as you can see, the Gemini is working perfectly. So once you successfully activated Gemini in your Google Messages, now on you can easily go to a conversation, and then you will be able to use Gemini in a specific conversation. Like you can translate any message, you can generate any reply using Gemini. That's it.